just got done making fried chicken, and I'm gonna have some mashed potatoes and corn on the cob. So we're gonna need some gravy. So I'm gonna show you how to make simple gravy. I have my chicken gravy in my Dutch oven, so I'm gonna pour it right into my cast iron pan because we're just gonna use a little bit of the oil. We don't want a whole bunch of it. So I'm just gonna pour it right here in my cast iron pan. But we want all that goodness. There's a whole bunch of goodness in there. And we probably want a couple tablespoons of the oil. And we're not gonna touch that oil. We're gonna let it cool. And I'll get rid of it. Okay, so now we have our pan and we are gonna start making our gravy. Over, I'm gonna go ahead and you'll hear a little sizzle. And that little sizzle is about 1/4 of a cup of flour going in that hot grease. We're gonna just stir it around. We're gonna have a beautiful brown gravy. One thing, I used to could never make a gravy. I was so scared of it. And then one day I just got in my kitchen and I said, I'm gonna learn how to make gravy. And I'm gonna tell you, at Thanksgiving, my gravy is gone. People love my gravy. Christmas, my gravy is gone. I do make a really good gravy. Okay. And just let it stay in the pan for a few minutes so to turn good and brown and it'll get that flour taste out of it. Just so simple. All those little bits and pieces on the bottom of your pan, make sure you scrape those off. They make the best gravy. That's what makes it so good. And I don't strain my gravy because I want all of it. I like to put a little bit of onion powder in my gravy. I don't put garlic powder in it. I just put a little bit of onion powder. And this is very controversial, but people don't know that I put a little bit of thyme in mine. Not much, about 1/2 teaspoon. It really makes it good. Put chicken broth or milk, not me. I've already got all that good bits and pieces off the bottom. I just put in 2 cups of water. I'm telling you, the thyme makes just a little bit. That's my secret. Everybody has a little cooking secret. Everybody does. And this will thicken up just a little bit. Probably about 1/2 teaspoon. And probably about a teaspoon of salt. I always made gravy like this. She didn't put thyme in it, and I don't think she put any onion powder in it. Whatever we had was salt and pepper and water, and it was so good. This makes, but I just add a little touch. If you don't have thyme, you don't have onion powder, it'll be just as good without it. If you just got onion, you can put onion in it. We had rice a lot growing up, and put that gravy over the rice. Oh, just be so good. And if we run out of rice, Mama would take some white loaf bread and pour that gravy over the top of that bread. Oh my goodness, I still love it, y'all. So good. I didn't know we were poor because Mama cooked. To me, Mama's cooking was like being rich. Okay, Mama could cook so good. It was like, I didn't know it was poor food. It was just good. And I stir my gravy. Don't know if I should, but I do. Got mashed potatoes, and I'm just gonna pour this gravy right over the top of it. Kind of mash it in a little bit. This is my mashed potatoes and gravy. Look at that. We're gonna give it a shot. Oh my goodness. Don't need any salt and pepper. Has a lot of flavor. Got those little bits of mashed potatoes. I did make garlic mashed potatoes, and I poured the gravy all over them. You guys go, hit the like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know if you love mashed potatoes and gravy. And you guys go, have a wonderful, wonderful day.